The skateboards you used to push or drag with your feet and perform a stunt now come to a new level with an electric motor. Some electric skateboards are made for the more advanced riders. Hence, they excel at delivering the most fun with their high speed and high-end features. Some have outstanding mileage and batteries to satisfy commuters. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and buy links. Let's begin our list with the Ace Shin electric skateboard. This skateboard is made with a 7-ply rock-hard maple deck with a handle design. It has better elasticity and toughness. It is also lightweight and easy to transport and can hold a maximum load of 140 pounds. This board uses CNC trimming and grinding process, and its kicktail and concave for added control allow riders to have more traction. You can reach a max speed of up to 20 kilometers per hour, and once it has been fully charged, it can reach a maximum range of 10 kilometers. It's equipped with a secured 24-volt 2200 milliamps per hour lithium battery pack, which can be fully charged within 1.5 hours. The remote controller is designed with a finger ring to help you hold it naturally and securely. 2.4G wireless remote controller with 4 LED indicators keep you informed on the skateboard battery level. Next up on the list, we have the Razor X Cruiser electric skateboard. This skateboard is powered by a 125-watt motor, providing lithium-ion powered electric skateboarding action at speeds up to 10 miles per hour for up to 40 minutes of continuous use. It has a 29.7-inch deck length, and the high-quality 5-ply maple deck delivers a lightweight, responsive ride perfect for cruising. Besides, it includes a wireless 2.4 GHz remote with a wrist strap for variable speed control of the electrifying carve and turn action. Additionally, this board features high-grip urethane wheels and custom reverse kingpin trucks for enhanced stability, perforated grip tape, and geared rear-wheel drive. On the other hand, it is recommended for ages 9 and older to support a rider up to 220 pounds. Up next on the list, we have the Blitz Art electric longboard skateboard. It is made with a 7-ply maple wood deck sandwiched between 2 layers of bamboo on the top and bottom of the board, giving it more flexibility and sturdiness. The board is outfitted with grip tape and is concave to keep the rider's feet firmly in place and supports up a max weight of 250 pounds. It achieves a max speed of up to 19 miles per hour and a range from 6 to 10 miles, and equipped with a secured 36-volt 4.0 amps per hour and 144 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, which can be fully charged within 3 hours. Plus, it uses a 350-watt brushless hub motor that offers reliable and less problematic performance. Plus, it gives an easy-to-hold wireless remote that controls acceleration and deceleration with reverse capability. The next product on the list is the boosted 2nd Gen Dual Plus Standard Range electric skateboard. It has 2 powerful belt motors, and these powerful motors allow you to get a top speed of 35 kilometers per hour. You control the speed, braking, and acceleration by the wireless remote control. You can choose 4 different speed modes, from beginner to pro. This board's smart regenerative braking system makes it possible to recoup the energy in the battery while riding down hills or coming to a stop. This highly efficient, regenerative braking system will let you cruise a longer distance and is active whenever you pull the brakes. Plus, it has a battery range of up to 11 kilometers on a full battery. Furthermore, the deck is made of bamboo, and the board has 80mm orangutan kegel wheels. Meet up the all-new Skatebolt electric skateboard. This skateboard comes with an upgraded 7500 milliamps per hour battery and keeps cruising up to 21 to 24 miles in medium mode. With its dual motors, the running speed goes up to 26 miles per hour, and is strong enough to climb a 25% steep hill. This longboard is made with 8 northeast maple layers, making it sturdier to support a weight of up to 280 pounds. It is equipped with 2 red warning taillights to ensure safe riding in the dark street. They will keep blinking to warn any vehicles coming behind you when you hold the brake. The remote controller is designed with an LCD screen display. You can quickly check the speed, mode, battery, capacity, and brake mode. Plus, the LED button can get access to the cruise control and taillight function. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have Team G H5 electric skateboard. This skateboard comes with a 15mm ultra-thin deck and 14.6 pounds weight. Its deck is 15 to 20 millimeters lower to the ground than most of the electric skateboards, enabling a more stable and confident riding experience. This concave deck makes turning effortless and comfortable, and the soft bushing makes the board super agile when it comes to making sharp turns. Its 760-watt dual motor equipment quickly reaches 22 miles per hour in the fast mode after startup. Plus, the 90mm PU wheel distributes gravity to improve ride stability while also providing excellent grip performance. The driving data is visible on the remote control, and thus, the status of the skateboard in the ride is exact at a glance. Moreover, the remote control headlight design can be safely driven at night without any scruples. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.